Welcome to Comfort Learn classes. In this video, we will solve 2021-22 board question. So here we are given a circuit with R1, R2, R3 and R4, and then the electric potential is given across the whole circuit, and we are asked to find the net resistance and then the current in the circuit, right? So now here, first let me find the net resistance. So if you want to find the net resistance here, let me first simplify the whole circuit. So now what I will do, I will start from this point here. Let me take point B. Okay, so now with B we have R3, okay, and then R3 is in series with R4, yes or no? We have R3 and R4 in series, so let me take it as point C, and then here my R4. Okay, so fine. So now here this B here, and then we have R1 in series, right, and then I will take it as point A, right? So we have R1, R3 and then R4 in series. So now here R2, here you can say if the I is flowing here, this will split into I1 and then I2. So what does it mean? So here these two are in parallel, right? So now I will take it here, let me take it here, this is my R2, and then here it is connected to the end point of D. So here we have D, and then you can take E here, right? Again this one is connected to the D, right? So now what does it mean? These two are in series and these two are in parallel with R2, and then R1 is in series with the remaining circuit. So now we got the simplified circuit. Now you find the net resistance. So if you want to find the net resistance, let me first take the net of R3 and R4. So here as these two are in series, you need to add, fine. So now here R34 is equal to R3 plus R4, okay, as these are in series. So what we here, we have R3 is equal to 6 ohm and we have R4 is equal to 4 ohm, so which is equal to 10 ohm, fine. So now this R34 is in parallel with R2, so what we get here, 1 by R34 plus 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by R, fine. Let me take it as R. So now here if you substitute the values, what we get, 1 by R34 which is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by R2 which is equal to 10 ohm. What we get here, here you will get 2 by 10, fine, or you can just take it as 1 by 5. So now the resistance here is 5. So what is this 5 ohm here? 5 ohm is the net resistance of this part. Okay, what is 5 ohm? 5 ohm is the net resistance of this part here. So now we need to find the net resistance from A to this point here, E. So what we get? So here we know that this R1 and then this whole are in series, right? So if they are in series, you need to just add. And what is R1? 7 here, and then what is R here? This is 5 ohm, right? So now R net will be equal to 7 this here plus 5, so which is equal to 12 ohm, fine. Okay. Okay, so now here this is our net resistance which is equal to 12 ohm, right? We got R net and we need to find I. So from Ohm's law we know V is equal to I into R, right? So here V is 24 and then I we need to find, and then R is the net resistance 12, fine. So I is equal to 24 by 12, okay? So I is equal to 2 ampere, fine.